Welcome to Black Girl Finance. You've probably clicked on this video because you're sick and tired of being sick and tired. You've probably saved up a sizable amount of money just for an emergency to bring you right back down to zero. You're probably wondering how I know this. Well, it's because I've been there myself. So grab your notepad and pen because we'll be going through the 5 major mistakes you're making that's stopping you from saving. So let's get started. 1. Not having a spending plan. You're probably wondering, what is a spending plan? A spending plan is the same thing as a budget without dread and feeling of restriction. A spending plan will allow you to allocate your money to your expenses, savings, emergencies, as well as allocating money to fun. 2. Not automating your savings. As humans, we are highly emotional, and with all of the ups and downs that we experience in life, it can be difficult to manually allocate money to savings. So, how can we solve this? Set up a monthly contribution to your savings or investing account and sit back and watch your accounts overflow. 3. Not investing in yourself. This one is huge. Investing in yourself can take many forms, whether it's going back to school, taking a class to learn a new skill, or reading a book. Your brain and skills are your biggest asset. Remember, money follows value, so as you increase your high-income producing skills, your income will start to increase as well. Whatever you choose to do, don't skimp on yourself. Trust me, you'll thank me later. 4. Not having multiple streams of income. Now, I know. You've probably heard this from your local YouTube guru, but relying on just one source of income can be risky. Warren Buffett said it best, having one income is like having no income. Think about it. What if you lose your job or your business slows down? How would you maintain your bills? I'm not saying to open up 10 businesses tomorrow, but this will be something you want to consider if financial freedom is your goal. 5. Not seeking out financial advice. It can be tempting to think that you can handle your finances on your own, but ask yourself if your financial habits have led you to success or a lack of savings. Having a financial professional help you on your savings journey will allow you to increase your financial IQ and give you the skills to make better financial decisions. And there you have it, folks. 5 common mistakes that you are making when it comes to saving. But don't worry, now that you know what they are, you can start taking steps to avoid them and build a better financial future for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Black Girl Finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and send this video to one of your homegirls that needs to hear this.